Very good morning, children. Welcome to the online education of NRS Class 7 Science. So, dear students, let us go ahead with the next lesson of science, that is weather, climate, adaptations of animals to climate. So, here, so dear students, you might have heard the concept of weather and climate in generally when the elders are talking. So, you might have remembered. So, whenever you would like to travel to any hilly stations, so you will be asked to pack up the different things to in order to keep yourself very warm. So why this is asked you to do so? This is because the hilly stations are much colder. Okay, so whenever the weather is very cloudy, so you will be asked to hold a or carry a thing which can protect you well, so like umbrella. Okay, so you might have also heard that the elders were discussing, so before they plan for any function in your home. So and also you must have heard that, so the experts, they discuss about the weather before they plan for any sports activities. So why do I give the examples of all these activities? Because the every day to day daily activities that we plan, it is based on the weather reports. So the weather has a profound effect in our day to day lives. So many of our daily activities, they depend or they planned based on the weather prediction or weather predicted for that particular day. So on that day, what is the weather prediction? So based on that, we are going to plan our daily activities. So the weather reports are given on the daily basis in the newspapers, radios, TV channels, and so and so. Okay, so it will be updated for that particular day, so 24 hours before. Okay, so for that there is a particular department is there, so that is going to give the weather report in the newspapers, radios, televisions, etc. So what exactly the weather is, so that we know in this today's class. Okay, so in this today's chapter, so we are going to learn what is weather, what is climate, and what is the difference between the weather and climate, and how different life forms, they depend or they are adapted to different climate of their habitat. So first let us understand what is climate. So before we understand the definition of climate, so let's see then one sample of weather report from a newspaper report. Look at the diagram, figure 7.1 here. So we find that the daily weather report gives the information about the temperature, humidity, and rainfall during the past 24 hours. Okay, means in the previous day, so what is the weather report of the temperature of that particular day, humidity rate, and also the rainfall recorded. Okay, this is what we call it as weather. So whatever the temperature, humidity, and rainfall recorded during the last 24 hours is given in the news as a information for the department of weather reporting. Okay, so it also predicts the weather for the particular day. Previous day it gives the prediction, it gives the exact information. So, and the weather of the particular day today, it is predicted, and also for the next day. So humidity is nothing but the measure of moisture in the air. If the content or amount of moisture in the air is more, then it is more humid. Climate is more, weather is more humid. If the content of moisture is less in the atmosphere, then it is less humid. So look at the diagram here. So now the weather reports, they are usually prepared by the meteorological department of government. So the government of India has established the meteorological department, so it is going to prepare the report based on the weather prediction, like parameters such as humidity, temperature, and rainfall record. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of weather in today's class. So in tomorrow's class, let me continue with the next concept and some activities I am going to discuss. Later on we'll go for the in detail study of this class. Thank you and have a nice day.